Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a lovely little house with red walls and a blue roof. In the garden beside the house stood a tall mango tree. The house and the mango tree were best friends every day. The house watched happily as children played under the mango tree. In summer, the tree gave juicy golden mangoes to everyone. The house smiled as the children laughed, ate mangoes, and sang songs. One day, a big storm came. Strong winds shook the mango tree. The house was worried. "Hold on, Mango," it said. The tree tried its best, but a big branch broke off after the storm. The house used its roof to cover the broken branch, and the kind family living inside helped too. They tied the branch and gave the tree water. Soon, the mango tree grew stronger. New mangoes started to grow again. The house and the tree were happy. They knew they would always take care of each other from that day on. The house and the mango tree were not just neighbors. They were best friends, forever sharing sunshine, laughter, and sweet mangoes. The end.